The wrong makeup routine could cause damage to your skin and make you age faster. Makeup can work wonders to help us look our best, but there are also some makeup mistakes that can age you. Today I am sharing 10 makeup mistakes that can make you look older. Avoid using shimmery blushes, because shimmer accentuates larger pores and any texture. Also avoid powders, because it settles into fine lines. Cream blushes are better for older skin. They restore the shine that fades with age. Choose fresh and not too dark colors in pink or peachy shades. Apply the blush to the cheekbones of your cheeks and work it out towards your ears. If your eyebrows are too dark for your complexion, they can create a harsh look that emphasizes imperfections, making you appear older. Heavy brows, which tend to sag or droop, inadvertently suggest fatigue, sadness, or age. Apply your brow product in an upward motion and lift it up instead of dragging it down. Instead of looking droopy, you will look lifted and youthful. With the handy brush applicator, you can give your eyebrows firmness and, if desired, a touch of color. Personally, I just love a clear brow gel. I like a natural look. Start at the inner corner of the eye, next to the nose. Try to shape the natural hairs from the inner to the outer corner so that you get the right shape and a natural effect. So many women place it all the way under the eye and the outer corner. It can settle in fine lines. Avoid applying way too much product. Concealer is so tricky to get right. The key is to use very small amounts and focus them only on the inner corner and the dark area under your eye. Your concealer shade should match your skin tone. It should not be too light. Lighter concealer will only enhance your dark circle and make them look gray, leading to the dreaded raccoon eyes. Not a flattering look. When you do it right, it is magical and can take hours of sleepless nights off your face. Avoid too dark eyeshadow because dark colors will make things look smaller or sink back. Also, vivid eyeshadows may actually draw attention to dark circles, sagging lids, and crow's feet. If you've got mature eyes, consider a matte eyeshadow. Choose for softer colors. Lighter, softer shades can create a more youthful appearance, while darker colors can sometimes make the eyes look smaller. Women over 40, stop wearing your pressed powder foundations. They do nothing but settle in those fine lines and wrinkles. You need a cream to powder formula. If you still want to use powder, just bronze with a warm shade so that it gives you more of a sun-kissed look. For mature skin, cream bronzer is a great choice as it blends seamlessly and provides a natural finish. When applying, focus on areas where the sun naturally hits your face, like the high points of your cheeks, temples, and along the jawline for a subtle and natural look. Using heavy foundations inappropriately can cause creases to sink into the skin, making you look older. Avoid using too much foundation, because this will resulting in a thick and overdone look, like the face makeup has been caked on. Since skin gets drier as you age, the best foundations for mature skin tend to be light formulas that won't settle into fine lines and look cakey on the skin. When choosing a foundation for mature skin, it's important to consider formulations that hydrate, provide good coverage, and minimize the appearance of wrinkles. Don't apply the liner all over the eyelid because this can create more of a harsh effect. A thick line above your lash line can make your eyes look smaller and emphasize fine lines around the eyes. As the skin matures, the techniques for applying eyeliner change. Accentuate your eyes in a flattering way without the eyeliner creating harsh lines or unintended effects. For mature skin, apply your liner just on the outer corners of your eyes and use small strokes. Brown tones or soft gray tones are nice alternatives to black, which can sometimes look too harsh. Mature women may choose to avoid placing shimmer eyeshadow because it can emphasize fine lines and wrinkles in that area. However, a shimmery shade can be used to add a glisten of highlight in certain spot like the inner corner of the eye. Personally, I don't like it because I notice that this kind of eyeshadow quickly settles into my wrinkles. Eye makeup for older eyes. Looks great when it's subtle. Don't go overboard with the eye makeup. You don't need to wear a lot of it at all. But if you're going, peach would make anyone look younger. Another combination would be cream, beige, or nude. Women in their 40s shouldn't wear dark or dramatic lipstick because the color can get trapped in fine lines around the lips, making them look older. Lipstick shades that might not be as flattering for mature women are deep burgundy, blackish red, deep plum, and red with gray undertones. A sheer, pink tone plumping gloss is the most flattering choice for any woman, but especially mature women. If you feel a little more color, apply a sheer wash of bright color and then top with gloss. Don't overdraw because it can look a bit harsh. Overlining your lips means applying lip liner slightly outside your natural lip line to create the illusion of bigger, plumper lips. Young women can get away with this, but for mature women it will look ridiculous. You don't want to end up looking like a clown. Glide your lip liner along the natural line of your lips, starting halfway between your cupid's bow and the corner of your mouth. Trace back and forth along your top lip to create a defined line that softly accentuates the shape of your cupid's bow and connects with the outer corners of your mouth. The general rule of lip liner is to choose a shade that is close to your natural lip color. This will help to create a natural look that will last all day. However, you can also experiment with different shades. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments if you have any makeup mistakes we can avoid. See you in the next video.